I just saw Godzilla the new pack. It was amazing, full of fighting scenes and yeah. So hey and hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. Today I'm going to draw Godzilla the new pack as you know from the title. So let's continue with the drawing. Starting with the Kong's ruff, I'm going to draw the spikes of Godzilla, which are important for the atomic breath. Now the Godzilla is now complete. Let's start with the Kong outline, that ruff. As I have to draw many textures on Godzilla's bodies and all details. Kong is like a human and also has not much but only furry and hair parts. In this video it has been also seen that my Godzilla's drawing is taking time and the Kong's drawing has not taken that much time because it is all about the details and textures. Okay, so my reference of drawing hand, because many people have problem of drawing hands, is to draw two rectangles, one circles for the knuckles, and the joining parts of the rectangulars are the textures, and this is how I draw hand. So here guys, I had leftover with some sketch pens after so long time, so I thought why shouldn't I use it within the drawing. So guys, here's the final results. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, see